What if I told you some of the trendiest home upgrades are a total waste of money and could leave you broke, stressed, and wondering why you ever left that rental anyways? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 upgrades first-time buyers regret after moving in. The ones I've seen drain budgets and spark major "what were we thinking" energy. We'll break down the truth about pools, open shelving, high-end appliances, and 2 more that sound dreamy but end up being dusty, high maintenance money pits. So if you want to love your home and still have money for brunch, babysitters, and Beyonce tickets, this video is for you. Okay, let's just rip the Band-Aid off. A pool sounds like a dream, right? Pool parties, margaritas, floating on a unicorn raft, living your suburban fantasy. But here's the real deal. Pools are expensive. I'm talking $200 to $400 a month in maintenance alone. And that doesn't even count things like higher homeowners insurance, fencing, and safety upgrades, especially if you've got kids or pets, sky-high electric bills if you're heating it, and don't forget about things like resurfacing, tile repairs, pump replacements. The list goes on. And here's the kicker. Most people only use their pool 3 to 4 months out of the year. The rest of the time, you're basically just babysitting a very large chlorinated hole in your yard. So is it still worth it if you're a pool person? Maybe. But if you're just going off the HGTV fantasy, think twice. Instead, consider creating a killer shaded patio or backyard lounge zone. It's way cheaper, lower maintenance, and still gives you that host with the most energy without the pool guy bills. All right, I'm guilty of this one. Open shelving looks amazing in photos. It's all clean lines, matching plates, maybe a cute plant or a stack of cookbooks. But let me hit you with a dose of reality. Unless your everyday dishes are Pinterest worthy and you actually enjoy dusting, this trend can turn into a cluttered, high maintenance regret fast. Here's what I hear from buyers. I didn't realize how much storage I gave up. Yeah, there's no storage. Everything looks messy all of the time. Dust, so much dust. Even people who are super organized find that open shelving just doesn't hold up to real life, especially with kids, roommates, or actually cooking. I actually have open shelving. I love it for the holidays. So Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, it is beautiful. The rest of the time, it actually looks like this. It is a mess with medicine and cups and plates and my toddler's cups. So it's not really that practical for most people. So my advice, mix it up. Add 1 or 2 open shelves for cute things, your fancy wine glasses, maybe your cookbook collection, but keep the rest of your storage behind closed doors where it actually belongs. Here's the thing about high-end kitchen appliances. They are gorgeous. They look like something out of a Nancy Meyers movie, but do they actually perform better? Not really. Unless you're a gourmet chef or running a food blog out of your kitchen, most high-end appliances are more of a flex than a functional need. The regrets I hear most: repairs are crazy expensive. Touchscreens and smart tech break or go out of date all of the time. People realize they're using 2 burners max on their 6-burner range. I use the same one almost every day, front, right? One client actually swapped their Viking fridge for a basic GE before selling because buyers were intimidated by the complicated features and replacement costs. And if you're upgrading, stick with reliable mid-range brands that have great reviews and are easy to repair. Trust me, your mac and cheese is gonna taste the same. People love to mention converting a bedroom into their dream walk-in closet. This one always sounds like a great idea. Big glam closet with a chandelier, an island for your jewelry, maybe even a vanity. Cue the slow motion movie montage. But here's the hard truth. Bedroom count matters. If you take a 3-bedroom home down to a 2, you're shrinking your resale value and your pool of future buyers. That walk-in closet may be amazing to you, but to someone else, it's missing a guest room, a nursery, or an office. And the cost to convert it back, not always small. Instead, go modular. IKEA systems, removable shelving, and smart storage can give you your Carrie Bradshaw moment without permanently altering your home's layout. Again, I'm guilty of this one. Freestanding bathtubs. They look stunning, sculptural, spa-like, and for about 5 minutes after you move in, you'll feel like you're living in a luxury hotel. But after that, most people realize they don't actually use them. I don't actually even take baths. They take forever to fill, they're hard to clean around, and unless you're soaking regularly, they just collect dust and take up precious bathroom real estate. If you truly love baths, go for it. I have a friend, she takes a bath every morning and every evening before bed. Go for it. But consider a compact freestanding tub without all of the fanciness, or upgrade your shower instead. You'll likely get more use out of it. So, what are the smartest moves you can make as a new homer? Live in your home first. Seriously, give yourself about a year and a half before you make any big changes. Why? Because the way you think you'll use the space versus how you actually use it is almost always different. Also, keep this in mind. You will almost never get a dollar for dollar return on renovations. That 20, 30, 40, $50,000 kitchen upgrade might help your home sell faster or attract more buyers, but it doesn't mean you automatically sell for that much more. Most renovations are about livability first, resale second. So be really intentional about where you spend and why. So here's your reno game plan. Fix what's broken first. No fancy tile until the leaky faucet is handled. Then create a budget, then add 20% because something always comes up. And start with the high traffic areas first. Kitchens, bathrooms, and entryways give you the biggest bang for your buck. And then just remember, function over Pinterest. Pretty matters, but usability will win every single time. So if this helped you dodge an upgrade regret, amazing. Grab my first time buyer class. It's free, super actionable, and designed to help you buy smart and avoid expensive surprises. The link is in the description below. And if you're still on the fence about buying, go ahead and watch this video next. I'm Heidi, and I'll see you in the next video.